I think the red one is like 4 mana for like a 7/2.
That's the black one.
The black one is a 3 mana 7/2.
Yeah.
Bro,
The red one's a 2 mana 4.
if I'm on the wall and turn 3, I got hit in the face by a 7-power creature, I would be so angry.
It's essentially just murder. Because even if it doesn't...
It blocks the trades.
It is,
But no, the 2 mana
Freezing
super
Rain.
hate is just like the biggest.
Awesome.
How do you hit through that? You just don't.
You don't. There's nothing you can do aside from
Fly over it.
Every time I draft, if you have this Aegis pedal motherfucker thing in there, like the 0/6,
You put it in?
I put it right in.
Yeah.
Because in limited,
As
it's
you
like,
should.
I sit.
As you should.
Especially in this set of all sets, because this set is like, I feel like after Foundation, as slow as it was, the fact that this set is just not slow in the slightest.
It's still new, so I mean, it's not.
I was watching Nikolai Bolas play on Arena, and he was like, he finished his first draft, and he's like, this deck feels pretty good. The first game he loaded into, he got shut out 3 turns, and he was like, what the just happened? He's like, it's turn 3, they hit me for 15. What are you talking about?
Dude,
He's like, I haven't got to play any cards yet.
I saw a combo. It's 2 red cards. One comes down on turn 1. The next one comes down on turn 2. And on turn 3, you have 2 free 3s. That it swing in for 6.
Yeah.
It sucks.
I wanna. Oh, what is it? I wanna try.
They're cycling cards too, so they get bigger and bigger.
If I get the cards for it, I wanna try a blue-black deck at some point where I get to play the one sorcery that's make 2 1/1 blockers and then
Drain for
yeah,
shit.
and then for every artifact you control, an opponent loses that much life and you gain that much life.
Is it each or just target?
What?
Is it each or
It's not each opponent. It's one opponent loses. Yeah, one opponent loses X life and you gain X life or X number of artifacts. But like, it's also it's a 5-drop. So like, if you are like if you're playing just like 1-on-1, and you can just like drain like aside from just getting 2 like 1/1 flyers, you can drain for like in between 6 and 8.
That'd be great.
In like a 1v1 20 life draft game, like that's
That's a big
games.
life swing.
Yeah. There's just nothing you can do at that point.
Where's Heck? Where's Jason? Oh, they're probably out still there.
I'm sorry, I couldn't get
I can't believe there's going to be like 2 to 3 inches of solid ground by the time you league draft.
Oh yeah,
Apparently right now it's freezing rain.
it is.
It's switching over to snow city, and we're supposed to get a couple inches while we're drafting.
It's
Awesome.
gonna be great.
Nothing like getting a couple inches while we're
Sleep over at
drafting.
the academy.
We do like getting a couple inches while we're drafting.
At least a few.
At least a few.
But also, it's going to snow next Tuesday, and Wednesday, and Thursday, and Friday,
That's not great.
and Saturday.
I hate that.
I'll be in Florida.
Fuck you.
See? This is what I'm talking about.
On a cruise ship?
Yeah. With who?
Mom and dad?
Yeah.
Yeah.
With who?
Mom and dad.
Yeah.
Taking you on a cruise? Yep. Nice.
Good for you.
Yeah. Maybe you'll meet some people. Make some new friends.
Yeah, maybe one of them could be a 2 of the platform.
I'm gonna fucking kill him. You're stuck with me now.
That actually shows up on time.
I showed up on time. I got here.
You showed up at 6:01.
No, I didn't.
6:01 on time.
No, I didn't show up at 6:01. I got here at 59.
Actually, I have a
You
picture.
didn't sit down.
I have a picture. I have a picture of this seat. At
So I was getting my draft ticket.
6:01. And there was nobody in it.
That's why it's banned.
Alright, so when I say go, you are going to crack open your kits. You have 45 minutes.
All right, deck building speed
Construct your
run.
decks. That time starts right now.
You didn't say go. You didn't say start your engine.
Go!
He So when I say go, and he just conveniently doesn't say go.
I have a racer license. Okay.
That's a very nice
That card
size.
is really good.
Holy shit.
Yeah, that card
That's
is
my
really
favorite
good.
dice I've gotten. Look at like the light blue. That's nice.
Yeah.
I played that yesterday. It's insane.
Well, one of us will be playing green.
We're definitely going to play like this.
Yeah.
Well, we should be best when we really get to the red blue.
Oh, Discording, yeah. Also, we finally have only double side tokens. There's no more adding on here.
There's gonna be so many colorless.
Yes, I need a colorless pile, I just realized. Oh, 7-2 from Common. I like it.
This is such a good card for free play.
Fully not.
What the fuck is that?
Ooh, Cloud Spy Coordinator.
Is that one of the commander cards?
Isn't this card quite expensive?
Well, that thing looks really cool.
Oh, that's, I don't know.
What card is it?
He's good for Commander.
I don't know if he's expensive, but I know he's good.
Well, hey,
Yes, it is. Oh my god.
There's my uncommon green creature. Nothing like a 5-mana 9/7.
Remember to pull out? Oh, yeah, you did. Right? That's a good one.
Oh yeah, they yeah, they take
Green white someone's really good with that one pack that I pulled.
Well, this one's this card as well.
I have 2 maximum overdrive. Okay. Put a +1/+1 on something, gave death touch and really strong.
Yeah. You gotta. Oh, fuck yeah. Well, that's cool. Deals 4 damage to any target.
I got a billion.
I got another fearless swashbuckler. Okay. I'm going blue. Yeah, I'm going is it. Ooh, and a full throttle.
That's pretty decent.
Full throttle's pretty good.
That's decent black.
Oh, and the
Just
running
immediately
right
pull 3 combos.
Oh, that's
So I'm doing is it cycling and discarding. Yeah, absolutely.
So that's a rare. That's here's a land for that though.
Woo, good water clips. Yep. Ooh, I got an art card. Hello.
Oh, that's a mind
He's so ugly. Like, look.
It's winter, but he.
I like winter.
I'm sorry. That was rude. I do apologize.
No, you're fine.
I got 3.
Sealed progression.
I know I said no, but seriously, this guy. There we go.
Oh, there's a full throttle.
Yeah, both are
Salute.
Oh shit.
I got one of the gear holds.
Nice.
Yeah, that's such a good card, honestly.
I was reading and it was like, oh. Oh yeah, the one you talking about, Haunt the Network, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a cool one.
Well, that's 200.
I have a lot of
Ooh, Dave, Skytrack.
red. Yes.
Yeah.
Night market for.
I haven't looked at any of the cards. I don't know.
AetherDrift is a good card. I don't know.
How do you feel about making that?
Oh, look at this blood gas.
Oh, blood gas.
Oh, that's a really nice art. That is such a nice art.
3-1 vehicle. Sure.
Here's the 08.
Yeah, the legendary one.
It's nice.
Gabe, I would like to note that the 3 packs have gotten 6
one of the
green.
One of the, I do whatever.
The green from you is not green.
I think the colors are gone. Yeah.
Oh my.
That is so hard to cast. What
That's
the hell?
the best art card in the set.
What is it? Oh, that's cool.
Nice.
This is interesting.
This might be a good card.
Oh, yeah. Thank you, You knew that's one. Yeah.
Ooh, Rich Collar Cherry. Good one. And a Royal Transit page.
Wow.
Wow, yeah.
Holy. That card's kind of crazy.
That card's kind of crazy.
Speed Demon! Woo! I wanted this one.
Might need to play black.
Oh, yeah.
Short card.
Yeah, I like it.
Two of those.
Well, I might need them. Because I might be doing cycling and discarding.
Another avatar. Another race.
Oh, that's a colorless card of all time.
Oh, yeah.
Another Sky.
Creature that's attacked from one of your opponents has tranquil.
That's an interesting card. That's probably one of the worst.
Oh, gotcha. So the uncommon ones are all
Yeah.
interesting.
Okay, so my pack was like, okay. I have very deep red over here.
They're speaking of color.
And very deep green as well.
Whenever you attack, draw a card, then discard a card. Who won? Gabe, I'm going Is It. I got all the Is It uncommons.
It's really good.
Oh, I got another one of these. Have fun with that.
Holy, actually, yeah, I'm about to go all
I
the
also
way
got
down.
Unedited.
Ooh, that is a fun one. That is
Okay,
a
so
fun one.
black has a lot of top
How do you feel
end.
about it, Jason?
When I say a lot of top end, I mean a lot of top end.
Oh yes, I need that. I need that.
I was like,
So I'm definitely doing green white. If you have it,
No. We're going to build together. I'm just taking my time. Sorry. I want to go green blue.
we have enough
Green
black
blue?
players, it would be a shame not to play them. I'll give you my
Possibly. How's your other colors look
Okay.
over there?
and then I'm slow, so give me a minute.
Yeah.
Well, if you get a red,
Ooh, affinity for artifacts.
So
5, 6, 9.
if you go red,
2,
last one, and then
yeah,
Ooh, I got mud.
just pack them up.
3,
Why is this being so difficult?
5.
We're fast.
So
Yeah.
I do have some pretty good removal spells over here. This is all like pretty good stuff. And then I also have really good creatures and blue.
Oh, wow, Gabe. Cloud Boost is good.
So that's blue stuff.
Creature fights target creature.
Put it in my game file.
Yeah.
This is.
Okay.
Explosive Getaway's interesting. 5 mana, deal 4 damage to each creature, but you get the chance to kill creature stuff.
Yeah, that's hard. We just
So
don't
that's
Yeah, it's not boss. Yep.
Oh,
White.
look at this.
so that's really good. That's okay. That's a trick. That's a good
Damn, this
trick.
pack is stacked.
This is okay.
All right.
Drew 2 blue black cards, and I also have that.
That's good.
You want to see something really funny?
So that's probably something.
This is good.
Look at this guy
I'm going to draw some cards. Then that's how this is going to go.
and this guy.
That's good. So that's good.
So this is pasting.
You can just hand this whole box. That's all pack
I'm
drop.
gonna head down in a minute.
So, black blue
How's your
looks
black
pretty
look over
good.
there? Okay.
Yeah. So,
So I'm going white. I think I'm going white red.
white red.
If you want to go black blue, there's a lot of good.
No, I don't want to do black blue. I want to do. Here's.
Brad, I'll take it.
I might not do blue, but here's white. Here's red.
So packed out
Here
terrors
you
are
go.
gonna be good.
Multicolored lands.
So I think,
You should see the green. Holy shit.
That's
yeah, I'm definitely doing
Hold
green.
on, look.
Yeah.
Hold on.
That might be good for me. I'm basically drawing as many cards as possible.
I might do black green or maybe all green.
It's 40 per deck.
Oh man,
Yes.
yeah. Holy crap. So what I'm gonna do
Starting column is a 3-mana.
is I'm gonna look.
Max speed, sack it,
Here's
draw
white.
two, then discard
This
one.
is pretty good. Do you
I
have a
want
lot of
this
vehicles?
back though.
Yeah.
For sure. This
I
is the
think
one
so.
card I'm calling.
Yeah, I'll just give you all my backs.
This is the only one I'm
Yeah,
calling.
the colorless is like, oh, you can fit into any deck.
Yeah.
Oh wow. Yeah, no, the last sentence without me.
Let me see if I can build an all green deck.
I can do a lot of dumb shit.
Black didn't really do much for me.
Doesn't seem like it.
Oh well, you didn't look at all the black. Look at this.
Oh my god, hold up.
Phone miser. Got this.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, and there's an opportunity for
Wow, you got some nice
in the
ones.
gold.
You got the cycling ones, which is what I needed.
So if I get red,
Thank you for the reds.
Oh, I have this red white guy too.
Okay.
Oh yeah, I've seen this last night.
Hold on, I'm
yeah,
gonna.
and then there's white black. So I might do red white black.
Here you
You're
go.
playing blue green, right?
You're thinking maybe red light?
Yeah,
And
I
then
mean,
artifacts
that's it.
and the vehicles.
Yeah, let me see the artifacts and the vehicles. And here, take these over here.
Yeah.
Are you
And
aggro or controlling?
Also, that.
I know you have
Red and
a
black.
bunch of removal spells.
Oh yeah, green stars.
So I don't have a whole lot of removal here.
Yeah, I'm drawing and just.
oh yeah, you're not doing black. I
Anything
don't know
that
why I
says
put
when I
that land over there.
discard is going to be good.
I don't know, I just threw that on top.
Okay, I'm moving all this stuff out of the way because I'm not using any of it.
And then I'm gonna just run artifact cake because I got artifact cake.
Yep.
I
Very
might want
different
one
cycling.
just in case I'm splashing.
Black. Yeah.
I will put my green over here for now.
Alright,
I
so
don't know if you want to unhit race wave or actually race wave. I don't know how much is
Also, I have a shit ton of ways of putting cards and stuff in that deck. So if you need that
Yikes, not great.
for whatever reason,
I'll look
It's
at it. Yeah.
The one gives me taste, so that's
Yeah, that is. But it's haste when I'm at 4 mana, so it's a little.
can you take a picture of my
dicey.
rares and mythos? Or not? It's fine. Honestly,
you should show them the
you
way
don't
we
have to
do it.
that.
Yes. The one drop start your engine.
I know. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be sick. Okay. Where are you going? Oh, you're gonna do solid green? Alright. Yep.
Yeah, I'm not gonna play control blue. That's not what I'm here for.
Oh, did you do it? Are you playing the blue-black deck?
Might be.
Do you have 3 of the same rare?
I'm not gonna. Should I
No.
That guy? Do you have 3 of them?
2
Oh, okay.
between the two of us. Yeah.
Here's communal shit. 4, 4, 5, 3.
So Gabe, if I want to run, oh, I got a lightning strike. Yeah. Gabe, I have 3 kickoff celebrations, which is whenever this thing happens, discard, draw 2 cards, sack it, everything gets haste.
That's pretty good.
Yeah. I'm just discarding, and then these verbose hosts are gonna make it so that each of those keeps me going.
Oh my god, that's such a good
Oh, yes. Whenever you discard one of my cards, this deals 2 damage to each opponent. I see. Yeah, Nightkin's good. Yeah.
So this is a black. So
Yep.
What the fuck?
Yeah.
Does that count for both of us? In 2
I
at
would
the challenge?
assume so.
Good to know.
One guest doesn't want to It's such a good card, but I don't know.
Road Rage seems quite good, honestly, once I read it.
Yeah,
That's a good removal. I'm honestly probably gonna actually play Is It Control with cycling and hasting creature, like fast creatures.
Is it control? You mean tempo?
Yeah. Is it tempo?
Yeah.
It's on. Yeah. Yes.
Here you go.
Like I got 2.
All the artifacts.
Yeah, okay.
But I don't think I want to blow up my own board at any
I
point.
don't have any removal.
Mono green? Okay, so start your engines on 2.
So yeah, they're 40 card deck. So
Lightning strike.
24 cards.
This is a really good one. So this, that's
Jeez, did I
removal
get
right
4 kickoff celebrations?
What's that?
I got 3.
That's removal.
It's like, what is up
Yep.
with this?
Yeah.
Okay, there's so many. I guess I'm just gonna depend on having it in every hand
I'll
and
take
playing around that.
that. Mm-hmm.
This is interesting. This will actually, so if you have a creature that's not mounted, you can mount it.
I'll take one of these out and put this in. Perfect. Alright, I got my deck.
Well, if I want to run Hull Drifters, I got a few of them. That's a really tough this.
What colors are you playing?
Red, black.
I got this one.
I don't need that. I'm not gonna play it. It's very slow. Where's my card keep going?
You see these?
I'll take a look.
No, I didn't look at this. This is great.
Yeah.
This might be worth smashing.
Alright.
Possibly. It's up to you, but it's really good. Has a lot of counter synergy.
Pretty heavy and glorious, and not.
Ace of these.
I got a thing from a little. I gotta look at white.
You don't have to if you don't want to. 1, 2.
One for each of the colors.
3 4-mana plays.
What are you thinking?
Let's get cut out.
Probably handle mounting, removal.
You remember, you just need to be removal
And Zen's on
defensive.
3. It's not garbage.
Because look, buddy, I am massive. I know what you're up to.
It's +1, +1. It's just okay. This is okay. It's recursion. 17. It's hard to cast, so I won't do that. These are alright.
That's what I was like. Oh, I just handed you dumb. POV, I just handed you my colorless. We swapped colorless. I mean, it's pretty good.
Okay, I'm not
It really is pretty
I mean,
good.
if you think it's not gonna be good, good in the deck, that's good. Like, because we only have 10 spaces.
Yeah. So many damn good cards. I'm sitting here going,